You are welcome to this video. My name is Ayetolani Oladapo Kusanya. Now, without further ado, I am going to show you in this video on how to get rich and high-paying clients who are going to invest in your real estate business. Okay, who are going to buy your real estate properties. And not only that, I'm going to be showing you the best platform you are supposed to use to advertise and get this high-paying clients. Now, we have two different kind of places by which you can advertise your real estate business, and by so doing you get rich clients. We have social media websites, okay, and we have search engines. Now, social media websites consist of Facebook ads, Twitter ads, and different kind of all these social media you all know about, whereby you chat with your friends, you make posts, and you get what I'm saying. And we have that of search engine, which is Google and YouTube. Okay, Google is the reading aspect of it, typing aspect of it, you reading website, and YouTube is the video aspect of it. Now, which one is the best for you to use out of this? Now, I'm going to be making an example video for you of people who try to use Facebook ads to get high-paying clients. I will give you a similarity between Facebook and Google or YouTube ads. Do you understand? Now, so kindly watch this video to the end, and this is going to shock you. This is going to shock you. This is going to be one of the best videos you've ever watched this year. Okay, now let's say for instance you are in your Facebook advertisement dashboard and you are trying to run adverts for your real estate business. You are trying to get rich and high-paying clients from Facebook. Do you understand? Now, you know, the first thing you have to do right now is, let's say for instance you want to click on create advert. Once you click on create advert, we have different kind of objective here: awareness, traffic, engagement, or whatever. Let's say engagement, we want to get people to chat us on WhatsApp or in our Facebook inbox or whatever, or Instagram. I'm going to click on engagement and I'm just going to click on continue. Now, once I click on continue, check out the next page. Don't worry, just cool down. Something will shock you right now, and I'll tell you the reason why some of your Facebook ads have been banned. Do you understand? Maybe when you are trying to run your real estate ad campaign, or why you are not even getting people that are rich, people that are not even saying they want to buy land. Now, on the next page, you are going to see something like special ad categories. Declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, or housing, or about social issues, elections, or politics. Requirement differs by country, whatever. Now, this place, you are required to select a category for your advert. And when we click on categories right now, we are going to see different kind of categories they are giving us here: credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections. You should know that your ad fall under housing. Do you understand? Ad for property listings, home insurance, mortgages, or other related. Once you click on this, it is important you click on this. If you don't click on this and you try to just run ads without selecting this categories, this is why they ban your ad account. This is why they are banning your ad account. Now, for this category listings or something, I'm going to show you something that is going to shock you right now. If we click on special ad categories and we click on learn more here, just to see how this thing works. Do you understand? Let's open it and see their policy or what they have for us in this place. I'm going to go down and you're going to see something like audience selection tools for special ad categories, ads about credit, employment, or housing. You're going to see this, their terms and conditions about this thing. You're going to see something like certain targeting options are limited or unavailable for this type of ads. That means you don't have the freedom of targeting the way you want. Let's just go to this next. Let me go back to this and click on next. You will see that the only targeting option that we have here is only interest. And how Facebook determine their interest is when people hit a like button on a specific post people make on Facebook. Let's say for instance related to house. Do you understand? When people just hit on like, it records them that okay, they are part of the people with target through interest. People wanting to like a post might be because they just like the picture. It might not be because they want to buy that land. Do you understand? It might not necessarily navigate that okay, fine, this person is wanting to buy that land, and hence this limits your targeting. Do you understand? This is, let's just go to the audience section. You're going to see something like Nigeria here. Let's click on detailed targeting. Now, when we click on detailed targeting, do you understand? And let's just try to click on browse. You're going to see it here. Look at the navigation. You click on browse. You can see it is only interest that is here. What do you want to use interest to do? How do you want to target well with interest? This just validate my other video, which I'm going to link in the description box below, that says media website, Facebook, Twitter, and all these places are not, it's not meant for real estate listing. It's not meant for real estate business. You cannot use all the social media websites for you to be able to get people who are interested in your real estate business. I'm not saying it's not possible to get just anybody from that place, okay, but it will be difficult for you. You will spend more money on adverts and make a loss. Now, what is the final answer? Google and YouTube ads is what you should be using as a real estate consultant or a real estate agency. Do you understand? A real estate agent. Google or YouTube ads is the best, because you actually get quality people who are searching for that real estate product or real estate housing or a real estate agency, trusted one just like you, for them to be able to invest in your real estate properties. Do you understand now? So we have a particular training, okay, that will teach you how to run Google ads and YouTube ads for this real estate agency of yours, and you will give you a detailed plan for you to follow. Okay, this is the plan you need to follow for you to be able to position yourself and get high paying clients, rich clients. Do you understand? There are a lot of clients online, but only those people who know the way will actually get the real people. You can't use social media ads for real estate. It's not the most effective. Do you understand now? Social media is good in entertainment, things that are almost related in entertainment. That's why you see all these celebrity or comedians blow more on that place. Do you understand now? So chat this number on the screen. We will give you a detailed target audience. We'll teach you how to run YouTubers or Google ads, effective one for your real estate business. We are also going to mentor you, stay on your neck, by which you are going to actually get the right strategy for you to be able to get the high reach and those who are searching for your real estate agency or real estate property for them to be able to invest in. Do you understand now? So my name is Ayotolani, and see you on the next video. I have put the number on the screen, and you also see it in the description box. Chat us right now, and we'll be able to give you the best service and mentorship you need for your real estate agency. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.